Good morning to all of you. Today we are discussing a case on the Notaries Act 1952. The Honorable High Court of Madhya Pradesh, bench at Indore, single judge, Mr. Vivek Rusia, he held that the notary public, their duty is otherwise. The notary public, he is not supposed to conduct marriages. He is not supposed to execute the divorce deeds. His duties are different. So this is the observation by Honorable Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court while deciding the bail application MCRC number 44184 by 2020 on 31/12/2020. He has given the decision. Right? You can read this case as Mukesh, son of Lakshmanan alias Lakshmi Narayan versus State of Madhya Pradesh 2020. Basically, this is no doubt. The case facts are otherwise. So when we look into the facts of the case, the applicant Mukesh, he filed a regular bail petition because he was already in police custody. The case goes to say that the complainant, Mr. Jitendra, he was in search of an alliance. He wanted to marry. Therefore, he contacted one accused by name Mr. Nageshwar. Nageshwar introduced Mukesh to him. Ultimately, Mukesh took an amount of 1.5 lakhs for sorting out the alliance and introduced Gayatri boy for the marriage. Gayatri boy. So, Mukesh, Nageshwar and another person by name Om Prakash, all of them, they belong to one gang. They introduced this Nageshwari boy, Gayatri boy. Right? So, as per the arrangements, the marriage was held on 9/9/2020. And this Jitendra, he wanted to lead a happy married life. So, he took his wife, Gayatri Bai, to his home. She stayed there only for 5 or 6 days. And I think on 14/9/2020, she left the house, and while going, she has taken away all the gold ornaments, documents belonging to the complainant, Mr. Jitendra. Then he gave a report in Jaora, Jaora police station. The police registered a case under section 420, you may be knowing, cheating, 467 and 468, forgery for the purpose of cheating, and read with 34. 34 means this common intention is applying to all the 4 accused. Right? In this connection, the police arrested Nageshwar and all these persons and they have recovered the documents and they have recovered the cash also because according to the confession under section 27 of the Indian Act, Nagesh Gayatri Bai stated that they have divided the property and took 1.5 lakhs each. Right? Basing on that, they have arrested our Mukesh on 16/9/2020. He is now in judicial custody. Therefore, the advocate filed a bail petition under section 439 CRPC. These sections, please be aware. As advocates, you must know these sections. Don't forget. Right? Section 439, section 29 of the Evidence Act, and also 420, 467, 468. They are, time and again, I am telling the brief synopsis of the sections also. Right? So, since he is in custody, 439. Otherwise, 438 or 437 is better bail. Right? Now, while dealing with the bail petition, the Honorable High Court observed that Mr. Mukesh, the applicant here, he got the marriage performed before a notary public. The marriage was performed before notary public. Instead of going to the temple or instead of conducting the same in a ritual manner, they have conducted it before the so-called notary public. So, the duties of notary public are, the Honorable High Court observed that along with these accused, the notary public also should be made an accused. That's why he has directed the Principal Secretary, Law and Justice Department to circulate these things to the registrars, since they are under the control of registrars, to take action against notaries and also to give them guidelines not to involve in such incidents, because a number of such instances have come forward in the shape of petitions before the Honorable High Court of Madhya Pradesh. What are they? The allegations are that the notaries are conducting the marriages. The allegations are that the notaries are executing the divorce deeds also. So just like that mutual consent, they are doing. They are taking law into their hands, which they are not supposed to do. According to the so-called Notary Public Act 1952, the duties of the notary are defined like this. Number 1, completing the notarial certificate on all the documents. That is what they do generally. So whenever you go for notary, then he will get it typed, then he will attest his thing. Second, bearing witness to a document. Yes, for loan application, all things definitely. He will bear a witness for all the documents. Then he affirming the state of mind of the parties. At the state of while affirming the statement, whether the mind, whether the persons are in a good mind, in a good state of mind, whether they are lunatics, all things he has to verify. And lastly, verifying and identifying the identification of the agreements or participants. He has to identify them also. So these are the main duties of the notary public, not conducting marriages, not executing the deeds. So therefore, the Honorable High Court has addressed the Principal Secretary Law and Justice to inform the concerned, and also if they fail, definitely action can be taken even under Notary Public Act also, and their license can also be cancelled. Of course, as regards the bail application, because the entire case came in the shape of the bail petition. So, as regards the bail petition, no doubt the Honorable High Court agreed to release the applicant Mr. Mukesh on bail on his personal surety of rupees 50,000, and also he has to produce one surety for the same amount, for 50,000, to the satisfaction of the Honorable Municipal Magistrate of Jawara City. So, this is briefly the gist of the case. Please remember, if any notary public sees this, please, your role is limited to the points I mentioned, not certifying the marriages or not conducting the marriages particularly. Of course, as a social worker, you can conduct the marriages in a personal capacity, but as a notary, you should not do it, and you should not execute the so-called divorce deeds also, because personal laws are there. Hindu Marriage Act is there, Muslim Personal Law, the Christian Marriage Act is there, and so many special marriage act is there. So if anybody wants divorce, he will go to the court and get divorce in the, even the family court also they can get the divorce, but not before you. So please take it as a lesson and react in a positive way. Thank you very much.